What does it take to legally run a trucking business across state lines in the U.S.? Well, you need something called Motor Carrier Authority. Simply put, it's like your golden ticket granted by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA for short. This authority ensures you're meeting all safety and financial standards so your business can legally operate in interstate commerce. Now, why is this so important? First off, if you're a commercial vehicle operator or part of a trucking company, getting this authority is key to expanding your services beyond just local deliveries. Without it, you could face hefty fines or even legal trouble. So if you're aiming to grow your business and build a solid reputation, securing this authority is crucial. But before you start the journey, let's talk about the different types of operating authority. There are three main types: common, contract, and broker authority. Common authority, that's like offering your services to the public whenever they need something moved. In contrast, contract authority is more of a VIP deal. You have specific agreements with particular clients, making it a regular and predictable gig. And then there's broker authority. Think of it as playing matchmaker, connecting shippers with carriers without actually moving the goods yourself. So, who exactly needs motor carrier authority? If you're planning to transport goods or passengers across state lines, you definitely do. This includes trucking companies moving freight interstate, bus services carrying passengers, and moving companies handling household goods. And don't forget, certain vehicles, like heavy trucks and buses designed for more than 8 passengers, fall under this requirement too. Of course, there are exceptions. If you're only operating within one state, what we call intrastate commerce, you might be off the hook. Some agricultural operations and private carriers moving their own goods may also be exempt. Ready to get your hands on this authority? Here's a quick rundown of the steps. Start by setting up your business entity, like an LLC. Then you'll need a USDOT number. Consider it your company's ID. For actual operations, you'll need an MC number, which is your official permit to cross state lines. There are more steps, including taking care of insurance, tax, and other registrations, all of which Moving Authority can assist with. Getting your motor carrier authority is just the beginning. Staying compliant is an ongoing task. You have to keep up with regular filings and renewals and meet all FMCSA regulations. Think of it like maintaining a car. Regular checkups keep you running smoothly. Falling behind can lead to fines or suspensions. This journey might sound overwhelming, but don't sweat it. Moving Authority is here to help. We specialize in making this process as smooth as possible, from initial filings to keeping you compliant. Visit movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. We're your go-to team for turning your transport dreams into reality.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.